3 teens are among 4 people arrested following a house break-in in Black River, St. Elizabeth today. Now, according to police, upon seeing the lawmen, the driver of the car used during the burglary attempted to speed off but crashed into a light post. All stolen items were recovered.
2 15-year-old, 1 19-year-old, and another senior gentleman who is said to be the grandfather of one of the boys. The persons were arrested and taken to the Black River Police Station, where they will be charged. I want to make another point though, because 2 of the students are from 2 prominent high schools in this parish, and as part of the intervention that we will be seeking to establish is to help these young boys to be part of a mentorship program, whether through the Police Youth Club or the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force. We have already started conversations with the colonel that is in charge of the 10th Battalion